Hi, welcome to the Quantity Surveying Studio. So, hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. As you know, the COVID cases are again increasing. So, hope your family is doing good. They're staying healthy, they're staying safe. So, take precautions accordingly. So, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe for more quantity surveying related videos. And so, as the title suggests, today the topic for discussion is about a particular role that is seriously having demand in the construction industry, but many people are not aware of it. This is mainly related to the non-civil activities that happens in a construction field. Basically, when people hear about construction, what they think is civil engineering. Civil engineers carry out all the construction activities. But this is not actually the case. Other than civil, there is some non-civil packages. Mainly they are called MEP packages, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. This is actually kind of hard, or what can you say? If you compare it with your human body, the structure, the bones, the muscles, these are basically the civil activities. But inside your body, you have your heart, your brain, your nerve system. So these are kind of what is an MEP system in a construction project in a building. So without this, without your heart, without your brain, a human body is useless. So similarly, without an MEP system, a construction project is useless. Just a structure being constructed is of no use. And again, civil is also equally important because without a structure, you cannot hold your MEP system. A MEP system will become again useless without a structure. So both go in hand, both civil and MEP. But what I can see is from my experience of working in this field is that there are a lot of requirements for MEP, and the MEP activities are actually being carried out by civil people. With experience, they start learning on the job and they slowly carry out the MEP activity, especially quantity surveying. Now, there is civil and MEP part to quantify, and what I've seen is due to the shortage of MEP professionals, people who have done their civil carry out this task. If you see in countries like Sri Lanka, UK, there is a general course called quantity surveying where they learn all these packages. And it is not essential that engineering graduate needs to be into the quantity surveying field. In India, what happens is most companies prefer a engineering graduate to come on board as a quantity surveyor because they will have a technical knowledge. But as you know, like the mechanical, electrical engineering graduates, once they graduate, mostly companies that come for placement are software companies or non-civil, like not construction companies, software companies, banks, some management companies. So these are the companies that usually come for placement, and when they sit and they get placed, they start their career in that sector and that goes on. But most graduates are not aware that in construction sector also there is something called MEP where it is of high scope, be it quantity surveying, be it design, be it execution. There is a good demand in this field. So, this video was basically to make you guys aware of something like this in the construction sector. It is not like that a civil graduate cannot do a MEP quantification or MEP design. Once they start learning it on the job, definitely anyone can do it. But again, a basic knowledge and graduate can easily do it and easily understand it, and they will have a sense of like happiness or satisfaction because what they're doing is something that they have studied in their engineering, not completely studied. Quantity surveying in your engineering syllabus, I don't think there is any subject related to quantity surveying. There, I think there is something related to estimation and of a building during your last semester. I'm not aware of them, like not sure about it. If you are a graduate, if you are an engineering student who is pursuing your mechanical, electrical, even the electronics engineering. Then there is a great scope in the construction sector. Once you complete, yes, definitely the salaries comparing to your software salaries will be very less. That I agree. But that satisfaction, see, but if you personally, if you ask me, I am a electrical engineering graduate. Almost 80 to 90 percentage of my batch are in the software industry. So when I talk to them, what they tell us that, see, we have already started in the software industry, so I'm doing. There is nothing like I'm happy or satisfied just because I need to earn, I need to feed my family. I'm doing this. So this will go on till whatever time I can carry out this task, I will do it. Now I cannot like move into another sector also, since what I only know is this thing. And if you ask me, I would say that I am really happy with what I have selected. If you have seen my previous videos, I also started my career in the construction, I mean software industry, which I got placed through campus. But I was really not happy in that field. And then only I started researching about the other sectors where I can go into. Learned about quantity surveying, how MEP, what MEP is. There is demand, especially outside India, also in the Middle East. In any country, MEP is of high demand. If you see now, a lot of data center projects are coming up in every country. And in a data center project, almost 70% of the works are related to MEP. So again, this is something that you can pursue into. If you get a chance to work on a data center project, then it would be really, really a great prospect for your future. A lot of data center projects are coming up, and companies are looking for people who have experience in data center projects. If you are a engineering graduate who is going to pursue like pass out, or just going with your first year, second year, so just browse in the net about the construction sector, what someone like an electrical or mechanical engineer does in the construction sector. It is really interesting, and definitely initially you will have a slow growth. Your salaries will be less, but in the future, definitely this is going to be a really good career. You'll earn a lot, you will have a good scope abroad in different countries. Thanks a lot for watching this video. So this was just a kind of awareness video for people who have less idea about the construction sector, those who think that construction sector is only what civil engineers do, only it is related to civil professionals. Through this video, I thought I would give you what I have experienced in my past 9 to 10 years of working in the construction sector. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Take care. Bye.